Hi, Bear. Bear. Bear, can you say hi? Can you say hi? Huh? Can you say hi to everybody? Can you sit? Want to sit down? Can you sit down? Can you... Look at that boogie butt. Look at that boogie butt. Say you're the boogeyman, but in a good way, right? Say I boogie. Being the boogie. You okay? Sorry that my house is a mess, but we get water all over. He drinks a lot of water. He ate really, really good, but something is definitely wrong with his back knee. And when I'm going to have her look at that, I did not notice it at all. Huh. So I didn't notice it when you first got here, but after you were kind of jogged around the yard a little bit, you kind of were limping and holding it up. Right? Is that your bed for tonight? Huh? And that's Mick Jagger. He's mad. Are you mad, buddy? You can't come in here. No, you can't. Sorry. Stay there. You're okay. You're okay. You're so cute. You're so cute. I can't take it. I love you. I love you. I love you, Mick Jagger.